Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to add phone number on your Twitch account. Just follow me to do it. Launch your Twitch and make sure to sign into your Twitch account. Now click on your profile photo and click on settings. Once you are in your profile settings page, here click on security and privacy. Under contact section, you will get phone number. To add a phone number to your Twitch account, click on add a number. Now click on this first drop down and here select your country, and in the second box write here your phone number without country code. And now click on save. And now we need to verify our phone number. You will get a 6-digit verification code to your number. Just click on confirm. Enter here the 6-digit verification code that will get to your phone number. After verifying your phone number will be added to your Twitch account. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.